Drive out lang. May biglang lumabas, so pinauna ko muna. Another car coming. Sun rising though. Anyone coming in, guys? Okay, clear. Alright. It's sun rising, so we are really in front of the very bright sun. It's very cooling, it's chilly in the morning, so my windows is open. Slow drive. It's 7:54 in the morning. We're just gonna go here. Lots of cars in the morning, but I better get it done. Alright, let's go. Drive out because it's been a while. And the thing is, if the car has not been out for a while, the tires will go flat. So it happened before where 1 week I didn't use the car at all, so the tires was flat, so I have to quickly go to the petrol station and fill up air. Okay, so we're just gonna be going this side. Alright, no cars. Let's go uphill. Lots of birds in the morning. Alright, what I have here is actually pork. I bought another almost 5 kilos of pork. This is the pork leg without the bones. As you can see, it's 4.675 kilos. Yeah, because I want to have barbecue tonight. Barbecue pork and beef. So I still got pork there, but it's frozen. But since I have to go out and buy capsicum, so I said, okay, I might as well buy the pork since it's available. So I bought it. Same price, 17 ringgit per kilo. And I really like it because hindi siya dili siya kuan basumod, lalo na sa adobo. And then of course with the barbecue is onions and capsicum. For salad, I got this lettuce. So yan, mamaya handa na natin to. Madami to, ilagay ko sa freezer yung iba. Okay, this is our capsicum and onions already cut into these cubes. Alright, so we're gonna skew it. Alright, this pork marinate with soy sauce, sugar, garlic, and with the calamansi. Ito din ang ating beef. I-slicein natin yan. And ilagay natin sa skewers para masarap siya. I think I'm just gonna season it with salt and pepper because I want the original taste of the steak. let's do it. We got it now. See, if we put it there, I'm gonna add in some beef here. Beef, yeah. Cool. Smells so good. Yum. I got pasalubong here. Thank you, Bun, for this pasalubong. You know what is this? Manga. Manga, look at that. I don't know. Masarap ba o dili? Lami ba o dili? Mahal-mahal man yung manggahan ni. Pero sagdi lang kay charity man. Charitable heart guning akong partner dere. Napo siya gipalit mga condensed milk. Okay, condensed milk. And another type of coffee. We're gonna try this brand is very good. This coffee here is our favorite. It's really very nice, dark roast, and it's only suitable with milk, condensed milk, sugar. Nah, not nice. And yeah, just put, it's like a tea bag, so this is like coffee bag. Just put in your cup and that's it. It's really very nice. Para ba siyang ano, kaping Bisaya. Ayun, muna siya. Lami. So muna siya pasalubong karong adlaw. Ayan, mga untag mangga. Okay, some of this is already cooked. Just gonna, oh, look at that, that's cooked already. Yeah. Cooked already. Yeah, beef not yet. Gonna transfer the beef over here. Okay. More beef. Oops, somebody sneezed. All right. Wow, that smells really so good. My God. Ang bango-bango. This is what I like with the barbecue. The fragrance of it is like, wow. I just want to eat it, you know. Yeah. Oh, so nice. It's really so good. Yeah. Smoky coming. And it's all cooked. The beef and the pork is all cooked already. So ready to eat. And got one more here. Just leave it